Whether you're prompting your children to venture outdoors or allowing them to maneuver in a roomy space on a rainy day, hoverboards present a modernized method of amusement that doesn't involve screens. Commonly known as self-balancing or dual-wheeled boards, these devices combine elements of science fiction with the thrill of extreme sports, transforming everyday experiences into exciting adventures. It's remarkable how a routine visit to a nearby store can turn into an exhilarating journey. After conducting thorough tests and assessments, we've compiled a list of the top futuristic hoverboards currently available on the market. All product links are provided in the description below. 1. Segway Ninebot S Kids Electric Scooter. The Segway Ninebot S Kids Electric Scooter stands out prominently in the world of self-balancing, two-wheeled motorized devices. This is largely due to Segway's reputation for prioritizing safety, combining it with an attractive design and a plethora of entertaining features. The Ninebot S Kids is specifically designed with younger riders in mind, evident from its more compact size. Interestingly, the Ninebot S, which caters to an older demographic, retains many of the features found in the kids version but boasts a broader weight range, accommodating riders between 88 to 220 pounds. To cater to varied skill levels and ensure a secure riding experience, the hoverboard offers 3 distinct speed modes: a safety-conscious mode at 4.3 miles per hour, a beginner-friendly mode at 6.2 miles per hour, and a sportier mode reaching speeds of 8.7 miles per hour. For added convenience, users have the flexibility to adjust these settings via a dedicated app. Notably, the Ninebot S Kids incorporates an advanced safety feature, a voice prompt system that not only alerts riders when they're approaching unsafe speeds but also autonomously slows down the hoverboard to maintain safety. A standout feature of this hoverboard is its innovative knee-controlled steering. This design not only adds a futuristic touch but also enables riders to navigate smoothly by making subtle adjustments against the knee pads. Such a design philosophy ensures that users can enjoy the seamless and agile turns that have become synonymous with Segway products. Additionally, for those who prefer to add a musical element to their riding experience, the Ninebot S Kids comes equipped with integrated Bluetooth speakers. Delving into the technical specifications, the hoverboard weighs in at 22.7 pounds and can achieve a maximum speed of 8.7 miles per hour. With a fully charged battery, riders can expect a runtime of 90 minutes or cover a distance of up to 8 miles. Safety-conscious consumers will appreciate its UL 2272 certification. The hoverboard is complemented by features such as integrated voice alerts, a knee-controlled steering bar, Bluetooth connectivity for its speakers. The device is recommended for riders aged 8 and above, with a weight capacity of up to 132 pounds. 2. Gotrax Edge Hoverboard. The Gotrax Edge Hoverboard is a noteworthy contender in the hoverboard market, offering users a balanced mix of performance and affordability. At its core, the device is powered by dual 200W brushless motors that propel riders to a brisk and safe top speed of 6.2 miles per hour. Complementing this is a 54Wh low self-discharge battery pack, which promises riders up to 3.1 miles of continuous riding on a single charge, although the actual distance may vary based on factors such as the rider's weight and the terrain being traversed. A significant feature of the hoverboard is its 6.5 inches solid tires, designed with a focus on quality to deliver a comfortable and smooth riding experience across a range of surfaces. To further enhance the user experience, the hoverboard is equipped with a robust and non-slip footpad, instilling confidence in riders of varying skill levels. The device has successfully met stringent safety standards, including rigorous tests on its electrical components, battery, and charger systems, thereby earning the respected UL 2272 certification. Adding to its safety features is a front LED light that not only adds to the hoverboard's aesthetic appeal but also ensures that riders remain visible during nighttime excursions. Navigating the hoverboard is made intuitive through its self-balancing control system. Beginners will find the mounting process straightforward, requiring them to place one foot on the board followed by the other, thereby achieving a comfortable and stable stance. While the hoverboard is user-friendly for newcomers, it also offers seasoned riders the flexibility to perform advanced maneuvers, including sharp turns and 360-degree rotations. Beyond its functional attributes, the Gotrax Edge serves as a versatile gift option suitable for riders of various sizes, accommodating weights ranging from 44 to 176 pounds. Demonstrating a commitment to customer satisfaction, the manufacturer offers comprehensive support through 24-hour online service and backs the product with a 180-day warranty. Although the Gotrax Edge boasts many of the features found in higher-priced models, potential buyers should be aware of its sensitivity to weight. This characteristic might pose challenges for younger riders in maintaining optimal control over the device. Nevertheless, with its solid construction, the Gotrax Edge emerges as a compelling choice in the hoverboard market. 3. Swagtron Swagboard Outlaw T6 Off-Road Hoverboard. The Swagtron Swagboard Outlaw T6 Off-Road Hoverboard is a prime example of Swagtron's commitment to quality and innovation, embodying the same meticulous manufacturing standards that have cemented the brand's reputation in the industry. Central to its design is an emphasis on durability and precision, as evidenced by its robust, maintenance-free 6.5-inch rubber tires engineered to withstand rigorous terrains without succumbing to flat. The hoverboard is propelled by dynamic 250-watt motors, facilitating exhilarating acceleration and enabling riders to reach speeds of up to 7 miles per hour. These motors are skillfully designed to navigate steep 30-degree inclines, granting riders the freedom to explore diverse environments with unparalleled confidence. Visually, the Swagboard stands out with its laser-designed wheel aesthetic, captivating observers with their luminosity and serving as a vivid testament to the hoverboard's aesthetic allure. Though these features are not actual lasers, they offer riders a distinctive avenue to express their individual style while traversing their surroundings. Engineered for adaptability, the Swagboard effortlessly transitions between indoor and outdoor settings, guaranteeing a consistent riding experience across a spectrum of landscapes. The hoverboard's resilience is further highlighted by an impressive weight capacity of 420 pounds, ensuring suitability for riders of various sizes. The inclusion of air-filled, high-tread tires augments stability and traction, empowering riders to navigate challenging terrains such as mud and grass with confidence, even when faced with inclines of up to 30 degrees. Additionally, the integration of non-slip footpads and advanced shock absorption systems ensures riders remain firmly in place, minimizing undesired movement. However, it's important to note that the hoverboard's weight, which is 31 pounds, may present challenges for younger riders when it comes to transporting the device, particularly if the battery is depleted during use. 4. Razor Hovertrax 2.0 Hoverboard. The Razor Hovertrax 2.0 hoverboard is designed with a focus on delivering a comfortable ride and effortless maneuverability, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts. This hoverboard boasts several features aimed at enhancing the rider's experience. Notably, it is equipped with large, grippy tires, anti-slip rubber foot platforms, fender bumpers, and an expansive foot space, all of which contribute to instilling confidence and comfort in young riders as they navigate various terrains. The hoverboard's self-balancing capability adds another layer of safety and convenience, allowing riders to execute sharp stops effortlessly, even after performing intricate maneuvers such as a 360-degree spin. In terms of aesthetics and functionality, the hoverboard incorporates front multicolor LED lights, contributing to a vibrant and engaging riding experience. Moreover, it offers 2 distinct riding modes, training and normal, ensuring that riders of varying skill levels can enjoy the device while maintaining a suitable level of challenge. Although the hoverboard's battery life is limited to approximately 40 minutes, the integrated LED battery life monitor serves as a valuable tool, alerting users when it's time to recharge for subsequent adventures. The Hover One My First Hoverboard serves as an excellent introductory device for young riders, offering a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour and incorporating self-balancing technology to facilitate a safe and enjoyable learning curve. Complementing these features are non-slip footpads, designed to enhance grip and stability during rides. The hoverboard's dual 150W motors collectively generate 300W of power, enabling it to ascend inclines of up to 5 degrees. With the Hover One My First Hoverboard, families can anticipate moments of exhilaration and bonding. From a technical perspective, the Razor Hovertrax 2.0 weighs 20 pounds and can achieve a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour. The device is UL 2272 certified. 5. Hover One My First Hoverboard. The Hover One My First Hoverboard is aptly named, is an ideal introductory device for younger riders who are just embarking on their hoverboarding journey. This hoverboard is specifically designed with the needs and safety of smaller riders in mind. One of its standout features is its motor, which strikes a balance by not being overly powerful, thereby ensuring that the speeds remain manageable and not overly fast for novice users. This calibration is particularly beneficial for younger riders, instilling confidence as they familiarize themselves with their new mode of transportation. Further enhancing the hoverboard's user-friendly design are non-slip foot pads and intuitive riding controls. both of which contribute to a more comfortable and secure riding experience for beginners. Hover One has garnered praise from parents whose children have experienced earlier models, with the brand being recognized for its commitment to producing hoverboards characterized by robust construction, user-friendliness, and durability. The hoverboard's maximum speed of 5 miles per hour is intentionally moderated, enabling new riders to familiarize themselves with the nuances of hoverboarding at a pace that is both comfortable and safe. The Hover One, my first hoverboard, weighs a modest 12 pounds and offers a battery life that can sustain up to 3 hours of continuous riding. The device is UL 2272 certified, underscoring its adherence to stringent safety standards. The manufacturer recommends an age range of 5 years and above for riders, with a weight limit of 80 pounds, further augmenting its appeal are LED headlights, which enhance visibility during nighttime rides.